Hey, I hope you are doing well. I am SK Josimuddin, an individual who is building something for individual, for coder, for those who is like to build something in open source. So this time I am built Code Helper. Yeah, so Code Helper is an tool which is integrated your IDE. Yeah, like Visual Studio, Android Studio, Xcode. Even in Xcode there is no agentic coding like the vibe coding, but using the code helper you can do this in your Xcode. So let's take a look what is code helper and how you can use it. For interface, like there is an configuration where user can choose the AI provider and the API keys and the models, and need to save this. So yeah, the shortcut of the overlay window is fully customizable, so user can customize it. The overlay position also customizable, and this is an about sections. Okay, so let's try little prompting to our code helper. So I'm just copying the code and command and L, so code helper automatically detecting the codes into their code sections. You can view it by clicking this and edit it. And what I need to do, I need to convert this application into a to-do app. So convert this into a to-do app. Let's generate. So code helper now generating the code for me. Actually it's asking for networking permission. Okay, it's generated successfully. You can see the code is get it, and there is two button, copy and apply. The UI is not good, but will be in future update. Okay, let's click apply, and you need to permit it by accessibility. Okay, okay, I have permitted. Okay, now apply. So automatically change are applied into your Xcode. You can see. Okay, just cutting this, I mean dismissing this. Okay, back to the application. Let's type something. Add. Oh, type something. Add. Oh my god. Oh, this is an delete functionality as well. So okay, let's try a little bit more.